15 years old, in year 11. Her iwi is Ngāti Kahimene and Ngāti Parau. Tapu, Ngāti Rangi Koe Naki, Ngāti Rangi. Marae Kahua Naki Tuarau. She plans to finish school, go to Auckland University, study psychology and philosophy, and write some books, then marry an All Black. Not forgetting the last one, which are kind of like two, travelling the world. Okay? And her interests are music, friends, kapahaka, and sleeping in. Okay, so all my Kentucky Blackie more Charlizza. Her topic, diligence escapes intelligence. Diligence escapes intelligence. Eclipses.
All you need is love. Dun, dun, dun. All you need is love. Dun, dun, dun. All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need. Love is all you need. Diligence eclipses intelligence. Where does intelligence come from? Intelligence comes from your mind. But can anybody tell me where diligence comes from? Well, I believe it comes from your heart. Why do I say this? Ladies and gentlemen, what motivates us to be diligent? The answer is simple. The answer is love. Today I shall be speaking to you about three main loves that in the past have proven to be strong incentives to maintain diligence and passion to achieve even the most challenging of goals. The first love is the love that someone can feel for a girlfriend, boyfriend, or even someone of the sort. Now I bet those boys at the back know what I'm talking about, eh? The second love is the love that someone can feel for peace, harmony, tranquility. The kind of love that encourages us to break grudges and stop wars. And the third love is the love someone can feel for their culture, for their people. We all know about it. Boy meets girl, they start going out, fall in love and live happily ever after. But what about what we don't know? What about what happens behind the scenes? What about all those little jobs the girl has to do around the house just to get that expensive makeup? What about all those days when the girl woke up an hour early before school just to straighten her hair? What about all those times when she accidentally dropped her pencil case in front of her desk? You know what I mean. Romance these days is never a storybook coincidence. Teenage love? Now that's what I call hard work, dedication and diligence. What would Ngāti Kahungunu boys be known for if it weren't for the persistent scheming of their charming Tupuna Kahungunu? Rongo Mai Wahine was known to be the most beautiful woman throughout the land. And despite her already having a spunky husband, it was through love and diligence that he won over her heart. Thus confirming that when it comes to romance, intelligence will get you to first base, but diligence will get you that home run. Which brings us to the second love, peace. Where does peace come from? For some, it comes from luxurious bubble baths. For some, it comes from going to church. But for me, it comes from music. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Bob Marley is a legend. Through his beautiful music, he raised peace in hearts all around the world. It was through his love and enthusiasm did he aim to raise peace. Through love and enthusiasm did he aim to raise peace in the world. December 1976, Bob Marley and his wife were shot and wounded in their own homes by two unknown gunmen. 2 days after the attack, he limped onto the stage of a peace concert and sang One Love. When asked afterwards by a reporter why he still performed, he simply replied, "If the people in the world are trying to make it worse, I'm taking a day off today, then how can I? If that isn't diligence, I don't know what is." Now, of course, Bob Marley had clever lyrics and poetic tunes, but did these come from intelligence? Like I said at the beginning of my speech, intelligence comes from the mind. We should all know from New Nine Health class what smoking weed does to our brain. So I rest my case about Bob Marley. So in conclusion of that korero, to bring peace and harmony to the world, you don't need a high degree of intelligence. All you need is love and diligence. Finally, we've come to the last love, the love for your people. What would be of the coloured people over in America if we worked for the love of Martin Luther King Jr.? What would be of Māori language if we worked for the diligent advocacy of Stuart Apiranga? We wouldn't be here today doing Manu Korero. And finally, where would we all be if we worked for the love and diligence of the most famous man who ever lived? The man whose love for his people saved our entire race as human beings. Tell me, would you have the diligence to still be standing after 40 days and 40 nights without food, water or shelter? Would you have the diligence to sacrifice your life purely for the love of your people? Yes, brothers and sisters, I'm talking about Jesus. And how appropriate that diligence is one of the 7 heavenly virtues. Ladies and gentlemen, Jesus Christ was a carpenter, not a rocket scientist. But yet just look around at all his marvellous works and the billions of hearts he's touched. Here's clear confirmation that if you wish to make a difference for your people, you don't need wealth or intelligence. All you need is love and diligence. Ladies and gentlemen, diligence eclipses intelligence.